of our independent country, Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. So he was our last king of our independent country Tripura, and he was born in 1908 on this day. This day today what? Today is 19 August. 19 August 1908 he was born. Okay. And in his life so many things it is given us. Okay. So that one is what about given us. What is his achievement? That one we have to know. Because as a countryman, this means especially the Tripura people, not only Tripura, the other people also, maybe Bengali, Manipuri, Chakma, Moab, Rangkhol, Kaipeng, so many are there, okay? But they used to stay in our state. Now it is the state become state. Before the 1947, it was a country only. So after the marching with India, India means now our country name is India. So before marching with India, it was a country only. It was a country. That country name was Tripura. So this Tripura means our state. It was merged in 1949, 15 October. So before that, our country was an independent country. And his achievement means our Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya achievement. So many are there. He built Maharaja Bir Bikram College. So this college become Maharaja Bir Bikram University now in 1947. And even not only this thing, he built Nirmahal also. Nirmahal, you have seen no last time. So many students, I think 4 years back, you were there for enjoying meals. For what did you know? For the picnic only. So that one is a great achievement of our Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. And even so many things. Vidya Patan. You are the students, that's why you should know about that. As a student, Vidya Patan means what? Means for the education revolution. To give the education to our people of our country, means Tripura. He has given so many things. He opened many schools and even one college. Okay? So after then, in 1947, this is 17 May. Okay, 1947, 17 May. It was this is very sad, we can say, sadness day. Means us din, on that day, 17 May 1947, our last king, Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya, was died. Unfortunately, premature. Our Prince Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya, under the 14-year-old, that's why he could not become a king of Tripura. Understood? So this is our achievement, means our king's achievement, and we are still in our Tripura as the Triprasa or the people of Tripura. Now we have the lands, the things, what is given by them. So we are still alive here. Okay? So this is his achievement and everything is given us. So that's why we have to celebrate his birthday. And today this means, again I will repeat, 19 August 2025. His birthday celebration we are doing in our school, means in our Tripura Public School. Okay? So that's why हम सबको ये याद रखना है, हम सबको ये हर साल मनाना है। जब भी हमारा महाराजा लास्ट महाराजा वीर विक्रम किशोर माणिक्य का बर्थडे आएगा, उसी दिन हम सबको ये प्रोग्राम करना है, सेलिब्रेट करना है। और सेलिब्रेट के साथ साथ क्या करना है, हमारा पहले जो हम लोगों का ट्रेडिशन था, उन्होंने जो हमको दिया था, कुछ करके रख के गया था, उसको हम लोग रेस्पेक्ट देना है। और स्कूल में हर स्टूडेंट्स को ये नोटिस और मैसेज देना है, ये हम लोगों का जो जेनरेशन, ये फोर फादर्स, हमारा जो राजा था वो हमको क्या देके गया और वो कौन था, उसको हमको जानना है और जानना भी जरूरत है। तो इसीलिए सभी स्टूडेंट्स को आज जो लोग यहाँ पार्टिसिपेट किया, जो लोग प्रोग्राम में आया है, वो प्रोग्राम में आके कुछ स्टूडेंट ने गाना किया है, कुछ स्टूडेंट लोग डांस किया है, कुछ लोग पंजा लड़ा है, कुछ लोग रेसलिंग किया है। सभी स्टूडेंट्स को हमारे स्कूल और हमारे इलाका का तरफ से सबको बधाई देता हूँ। और इसी के साथ मेरा जो स्पीच है उसको खत्म करता हूँ। थैंक यू एंड नमस्कार।